Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and confirming you have the right permissions. Many apps block edits for invited or read-only accounts. Once logged in, go straight to Profile or Account Settings and open Personal Info. Make sure you're on the correct environment, production, not staging, so changes stick. Click the Name or Display Name field to begin editing. If a verification badge or form appears, read it quickly and proceed. Save drafts, if the app offers them, before submitting the final change. Now edit the name fields accurately. Consider capitalization and special characters the system allows. If the app requires identity proof, upload a clear image or PDF and follow on-screen prompts. This step prevents reversals. Once done, click Confirm or Submit and watch for a verification email or in-app confirmation. If a cooldown or review period is mentioned, note the time frame so you don't repeat the change. Make sure to check linked services or integrations after the update to confirm. Finish by confirming the change across the app. Refresh the page, clear cache, or log out and back in to force a sync. If the name still shows old data, check pending verifications or a hold period, then retry submission if allowed. As a troubleshooting tip, capture screenshots of errors, record the exact steps you took, and contact support with your account ID and proof. This speeds resolution. Keep records of any confirmation numbers and expect delays if manual review is required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.